Using the Easy Web Content music player, you can create interactive MP3 players directly on your website. You can upload your own MP3 music and play it directly on your site via the MP3 player. And there are a number of different templates available that you can choose from. For example, this is one that I'm showing you here, one of the few different templates that are provided. And you can fully customize, adjust, and optimize the design so that it reflects your website. So let me show you how you can easily add the MP3 player to your own website. If you're using the Easy Web Content HTML editor, you can find the add-ons including the MP3 player directly under the add-on and widgets, and then you will click on the music player, and that would load up the music player and you can start optimizing it and then inserting it directly to your web page. In this case, we're going to use the site builder to insert the MP3 player on the website that we have built using the Easy Web Content site builder. And as always, you can find the add-ons under the content, goodies, EWC add-ons. And then all you would do is drag and drop the music player to a location of the page that you would like to insert. In this case, I'm going to drop it to the left column of this page that I'm working on. And once I've dropped it there, the pop-up will load up for the music player widget. And this is where I can go ahead and create a new player, or if I have existing music player add-ons, I can go ahead and use one of those and insert them to my page. In this case, what I would like to do is go ahead and create a new music player. So although I have a series of music players on my list that I've created before, I would like to create a new one. So I would click on the new player, name my player, and now I'm on the select theme of the music player manager. So I have a few different options I can choose from. There's the shuffle, the metal, record player, and a plain, which is a very simple looking player. I will go ahead and start with the shuffle, and I have a couple of sizes available. I'm going to select the 300 pixel by 325 because I'm working with a small area on the left column, and so this is a smaller size that should fit in there. Then I will click on the select template. And now I have a default of some preloaded MP3s here just to help with my design. I'm working with a dark background on the site, so I like this dark look, although you do have a lot of options that you can utilize here. So there's a number of presets. For example, you could switch to something like this. So this is a chocolate feel. I will switch to a rust. And after looking at a couple of these, I think given that the site has a dark background, I will just go back to the default, which is the original black and chrome. And there are a number of additional options on the right. So you could modify your navigation page elements, your text style. For example, in this case, everything is in a Arial. I could switch to a Courier or other fonts. I will just stay. So you can spend some time and play with the different options that are available, and you can fully customize this design. The next step is to just populate the playlist. So I will click on the populate playlist and start adding music. So I will go ahead and add a title. The description field is optional. In the MP3 player there's very little space, so you probably want to limit any kind of a text you use on a description. In this case I'm going to leave them empty, and then I'm going to browse for the music file. So I will select locate the MP3 file, and again the supported file format is MP3, and you can upload up to 5 or 10 megabytes file sizes depending on the. And also you can actually associate an image depending on the template that you use. There's thumbnails that are available. If you don't upload a thumbnail image, then it will just use the default image. In this case I've already prepared an image. I will go ahead and browse. And I will select the file, and we're ready to submit so it can populate our MP3 player. And depending on the file size, this can take as little as a few seconds or a few minutes. It all depends on the file size. And so our first music file has been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and follow the steps and add a couple more music files. And so I finished adding three files here to the MP3 player. You can add, of course, additional music. And also, if you ever need to, you can change the order of your files with the move up and down feature. And you can also go back at any time and edit the music. So you can click edit and then update your title, description. There's my thumbnail here, and of course update your music file. And so the last step is I'm going to go ahead and publish the player and then insert it to my page. And there we are. The music player has been inserted to the area that I had designated, and I can go ahead and preview it now. And so here's our music player, and it has loaded directly in the MP3 player in the web page, and I can go ahead and start previewing and playing music and see how it looks and how it sounds. And so it works fine, and the color scheme pretty much goes in line with this site, so I'm pretty happy with it. And I can go ahead and save and publish my file. So when I'm done, I can go ahead and publish my page, and this will get deployed to my website. And at any time that I like, I can always come back and update. For example, I can go back and switch between themes. So if at some point you got tired of the existing theme, you can go ahead and switch to additional options. So by selecting this size for this template, I can switch to another design. And here I am, here's my new design. I will go ahead to the publish. I will save the changes, and then I will insert it to the page. And I will preview the page, see how it looks. Now switch. And so that is how you can easily switch between your MP3 player templates, populate music into your website, and at any time come back and populate it and adjust the settings. That is the Easy Web Content MP3 player, one of the number of different add-ons that are available as a part of the Easy Web Content system. Go ahead and give it a try.